Bring the thrill of boxing to your fingertips. This finger boxing game is a mini arcade-style punching machine designed for fun, competition, and stress relief. Whether you're looking to challenge yourself or compete with friends, this interactive game brings the excitement of boxing into the palm of your hand. Simply pull back and release to throw a punch at the mini punching bag, rack up points, and aim for the highest score. With flashing lights and realistic sound effects, each punch feels just like a real match, making the experience even more immersive. The built-in digital scoreboard keeps track of your performance, encouraging you to beat your own record or go head-to-head with others. The game is designed with a durable and sturdy build, ensuring long-lasting fun even with repeated punches. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether you want to place it on your desk, nightstand, or take it on the go for quick entertainment. More than just a fun game, this mini boxing machine also serves as a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and finger strength. It provides a simple yet effective way to exercise finger muscles, improve reflexes, and boost reaction speed while enjoying an engaging activity. Set it up anywhere, press start, and get ready to throw some punches. Compete against yourself or friends and become the ultimate finger boxing champion.